Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to review electric spin scrubber. It has high capacity battery, 2000 mAh, 4 multifunctional brush heads, waterproofing, lightweight. It has 2 speed efficient cleaning, operating time 1 or 2 hours. It is 25 watts. It shows how you're going to install it, and these are the application areas. It shows the model and charging time, maximum battery life. Let's see what we have. Here is the product instructions. It shows the instructions, and these are the brush heads. You can put it like that. Extra 2. And we have also 2 more. This is another brush head. You can store it with this. There are levels also. Level 1 and level 2. You can charge it from here. It's USB-C. There is one more head. Alright, we can go ahead and put it over here. And then this side, we need to screw it over here. Make sure it is tight. If you want to extend it, you can extend it and lock it. This is one of them, if you want to use this. Let's turn it on. Okay. Level 2. And let's try to use the other heads. This is the main one. You can take it out and put this one. And whichever you want to use, basically put it over here. If you want to use this side. Okay. And this is the other one. Here is the charging cable. This is USB-C. Let's go ahead and test it out. Normally this area was clean, but I made it dirty to make this video. Let's go ahead and use this one first. Okay. Let's get all with water and take this out. Okay. You can change the settings, levels. If you want, you can use some detergent. I'm not able to do this area. I'm gonna change the head. I will use this one. Let's go ahead and see the result. Alright, this area, I didn't do it, but this area is... I'm gonna try it with the shower area. Alright, I'm gonna try this area and let's see. First of all, we need some water. If the speed is not enough, you can press one more time. Let's try it here. I think that's enough. Let's go ahead and see the result. This is the area I cleaned it up, but these are the areas I didn't do it. It's like orange, but I cleaned this area.